Hi everyone, I'm Chelsea and welcome to our installation videos. These videos, along with your installation manual, will help guide you through all the steps necessary for installing your Murphy wall bed. Whether you're building your own cabinetry and incorporating our hardware, or installing one of our Murphy Build-A-Beds, we suggest reading the entire instruction manual and also watching all of these installation videos before you begin. The instructions are located in the mechanism box and also attached to your order confirmation email. Our installation videos can be found on the support page of our website at murphybeds.com/support. Failure to follow the instruction manual properly may result in injury or damage to the Murphy bed and hardware. Also, before beginning any work, please pay close attention to the following safety messages. Many stages of the assembly process require 2 people for safe assembly. You must secure the cabinet to solid structural members and not merely the wall finish. Attach all hardware provided in the hardware kits. Install all cross-member pieces of the cabinetry, including the front kick. It is crucial that the front kick be installed as it supports the 2 side panels when lowering the bed. And install the mechanism covers. Also, a heads up, the installation process will require a number of tools, which we will go over in detail in video number 3. Typical installation takes approximately 5 to 8 hours, and we recommend doing it over 2 days. And check us out on Facebook and YouTube to view more of these installation videos and see other up-to-date tips. Thanks for watching.